Hello guys, today I tell you about can I open a bank account online. Banking online can take transactions that used to be tedious and time consuming fast and easy. You can deposit and transfer money, pay bills, access your account history and more all from your laptop, smartphone or tablet and at any time. That's convenience for you. In many cases, you can even open your bank account online. That means that rather than to make a trip to a branch where to meet with the representative and sign a stack of paper forms. The process is all handled digitally. If you opening an account at an online bank, or opening an account online may be your only option. Leading online banks are FDIC insured and typically offer higher interest rates than traditional brick and mortar banks and may also charge low or no fees. Once you open a checking or savings account online, you can transfer funds, set up direct deposit and make payments right from your account using the bank online dashboard or mobile app. You may also have access to paper checks that can get mailed to your home. Here are some key things to know about opening a bank account online. Table of contents. Can anyone open a bank account online? What you need to open a bank account online? Considering what of account to open online using your online bank account. The takeaway. Or can anyone open a bank account online? Banks typically make it easy for any customer to open an account online. There are some cases, however, when you might be required to visit a branch or provide additional documentation to open an account. This could happen, for example, if you are young and have not yet establishing much credit history. Banks will often verify your identity by checking your credit even if you are not borrowing money, normally using a soft pull, which will not affect your credit score. If they are not able to do that, they may require you to visit a branch to show a government issued ID in order to open your account. And other instance where you may need to go into a bank if you are under 18 and need a consignor to open a bank account. In that case, you and a consignor will likely have to open a bank account in person. Recommended. Considering what kind of account to open online. Before you start the online application, it can be a good idea to consider whether you want a single account or a joint account where you go on the account with another person like a significant other or family member. You may also want to think about what type of bank account you want. If you will primarily be using this account for paying expenses, you may want to open a checking account with no or low fees. If you are putting money aside for short-term goals like saving for a home, car, or vacation, you may want to go with a saving account that is a good interest rate, or you may also want to consider opening both types of accounts. What you need to open a bank account online. To open an account online, you will need to gather some basic information including your social security number, valid driver's license or other government issue ID, contact information including home address, phone number and email. Other bank account information. If the institution requires you to make an initial deposit, you will need debit card information or the routing and account number from another bank account you own. You can find these on a check or by logging into your existing account online dashboard. A username and password that you want to use for the account. You will then want to visit the bank's website and look for an option along the lines of open an account now. Once you input all of your information, you may be able to use the account almost immediately. Some banks, however, may require an actual signature and will send you welcome documents in the mail that you sign and send back. Once received, the account will be fully open. Recommended how to open a free checking account using your online bank account. Once your once your account is set up, here are some additional steps you may want to take. activating your debit card. If your account includes a debit card, it will be mailed to you. You can then follow the instructions provided and set up a PIN number. Typically, you can do this online or by phone using the contact number that appears on a sticker attached to the card. Automating your account. You may also want to set up some automatic features on your account, such as a paperless statements, automatic bill pay, and automatic savings. To do this, you will likely need to gather paperwork from service providers, where you can then follow the on-screen prompts and call customer service if you need assistance. You may also want to contact your employer in order to set up direct deposit. This typically involves filling out a direct deposit authorization form. Some companies handle this process entirely online, and some use a third party to sign you up. Keeping an eye on your account. You can track deposits, ATM withdrawals, and other transactions on your computer or anywhere you go using a mobile banking app. If one is available, there is no need to wait for a monthly statement to arrive in your email or mailbox. The app may allow you to link to other accounts within the same financial institution as well as accounts you have elsewhere, and can also provide an overall view of your financial picture that could be useful for saving and budgeting. ATM withdrawal limits. What you need to know. The takeaway. These days, it's possible to do most of our banking online, even opening your account. Opening a bank account online is typically quick and easy. The process typically requires gathering some personal information so the bank can verify you identify. You may also need to have the routing and account number of an existing account in order to make an initial deposit into your account. Once opened, you can then use your new account to pay bills, set up direct deposit for your paychecks, access cash at local ATMs, build savings, and keep track of your spending and saving. Better banking with sofi checking and savings. If you are looking for an account where you can in interest, spend, and save all in one place, you may want to consider opening a checking and savings account such as sofi checking and savings. With sofi checking and saving, you can separate your savings from your spending will earning competitive interest on all your money. Plus, you won't pay any account fees and will have access to 50,000 plus free ATMs worldwide. You can sign up sofi checking and savings online in just 1 minute. Learn now. Get started. You can see many videos for you. You can like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.